guys up to today?
We're having coffee.
Nice.
That was a good start.
Cool. Yeah.
We're having our first pour over coffee.
Oh, cool.
We don't have places in Iowa that do this.
There's one in the Quad Cities now.
Is there?
When I go over to Harvester, and that's you can get one there, but you can't get this fancy stuff.
So do you guys want me to walk you through what I'm doing here?
Sure.
So I rinsed the filter out here, and I did that. If you want to smell it right here, you smell like the bleach that they use to whiten the filter out.
Oh,
so
wow.
it gets it out of your cup of coffee because like you don't want to.
Wow. So very labor intensive.
Oh, no. I could do this all day though. I would rather be doing this than all the other stuff. So this is the Ethiopia for you. So then I'm doing something what's called a bloom. Are you familiar with blooming coffee at all? Or?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so similar to like caramelizing onions before you put it in a dish. I just dose 50 grams of hot water over the grinds, and then it lets CO2 come out of the grinded bean. As you can see, like the gas here, which allows for more even extraction when I pour on the rest of the water later. Because if the bubbles are coming up while I'm dosing on the water, it'll screw up the extraction and make holes that then the water could channel through. That's kind of what I'm trying to create in the process. So I let that hang out for 30 seconds, try to get the most gas out as I can. And then I just start the process.
So you're saying if I would start to market non-bleach filters, coffee shops would be ecstatic, it would save a step?
Well, you know, they do sell those, and I don't really know why we use them, but either way, we're going to rinse out the filter just because
Anyways.
There's residual.
I mean, no matter what you do, yeah.
You have to have a binder to hold the paper together.
The purest taste is what we're going for right now, so either way. Plus, heating it up also allows the porcelain to heat up, which will just keep the
coffee
Try to
hotter.
hold it at
Yeah.
200 or
Yeah, 202 is what we use.
202.
Yeah.
And it's so pretty on top.
And then I'm pouring in a circular pattern again to try to keep the bed as even as possible, so there's even extraction coming through. If there's any like holes, you know,
There's a reason for all of it.
there's a reason for all of that. Where did you guys say you were from?
Iowa.
Oh, okay. What brings you to San Diego?
I have a convention out here.
Okay.
Down at the Marriott, so I told her, I said, well, I've become a still in the coffee shop.
Oh, okay.
Back
Very cool.
in our early days.
When we were young.
Okay. Fair. Very cool.
So I went to the SCCA, Specialty Coffee Association convention, several times. In fact, the first time I had the Ethiopian Yirgacheffe was with Ethiopians.
Oh, cool.
Sitting on a bag
That's awesome.
at the coffee convention.
That's quite the experience.
It was incredible.
So you get to appreciate the differences.
Definitely. Yeah. That's why I prefer pour-overs because there's just much more clearer like cup quality.
That, folks, is here at Bird Rock Coffee Roasters. Right there. Pour over coffee, $11. Welcome to San Diego.